The following message is transmitted at the request of the FDA and the U.S. government. White chocolate has been tested, and it has been diagnosed with an unknown deadly disease with a secretly known cure. It has killed 120 people in Texas. Symptoms of the disease include, but are not limited to, barfing up to 10 seconds after finishing will cause death in 1 hour without treatment. 1/2 of a white chocolate bar can kill you within 4 hours without treatment. If you are eating a white chocolate bar, dispose it, and put it in a freezer, and go to the hospital immediately. If you are less than 2/5 than a white chocolate bar, you will be fine. Only a nosebleed will occur. If you took a small bite, a throat infection will occur. If you have any problems, call 911. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.